Hello and welcome to my channel Bio Studies. Myself Komal, your biology tutor. In this lecture, I am telling you about chromosomes. So let's begin. Term chromosome was first used by a Wilder scientist. Chromosome was first described by Strasburger scientist. Next point is, what is chromosome? Chromosome is a rod-shaped, darkly stained body that is seen during metaphase stage of mitosis. Mitosis is a type of equational cell division, and mitosis having different phases. There are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And in the metaphase stage of mitosis, this type of rod-shaped structure easily visible when stained with the suitable basic dye view under light microscope. Next point is, chromosome number can be counted easily during this mitotic metaphase stage. What is the reason of this point? The reason is, during metaphase stage, nucleus they dissolve, cells chromosome they condense, they move together, aligning in the center of the dividing cell, and at this stage chromosomes are distinguishable when viewed through a microscope. So that is the reason mitosis के metaphase stage में ही क्यों ईजिली क्रोमोसोम रोड शेप्ड विजिबल होता है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर न्यूक्लियस डिसॉल्व हो जाता है एंड जो क्रोमोसोम है दे कंडेंस, दे मूव टुगेदर अलाइंग इन द सेंटर एंड दीज आर ईजिली डिस्टिंग्विश हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, मेटाफेज क्रोमोसोम्स आर यूज्ड इन कैरियोटाइपिंग. What is karyotyping? It is a laboratory technique for identifying chromosomal abnormalities, right? Next point is, each species has definite and constant somatic and gametic chromosome number. यानी कि हर एक ऑर्गेनिज्म में, स्पीशी में डेफिनेट और कांस्टेंट गैमेटिक और सोमैटिक क्रोमोसोम नंबर होते हैं. Next is, somatic chromosome number is the number of chromosome that is present or found in the somatic cell. What is somatic cell? Somatic cell are the cell which is present in the body. These are the body cells other than the sperm or egg cell, which are the germ cells. Sperm and egg cell in male and female respectively. These are the germ cells. But other than that, cell of the body are the somatic cells. Here, gametic chromosome number is the number of chromosomes found in the gametes, and it is exactly half of the somatic chromosome number. That means somatic chromosome number is 2n and gametic chromosome number is n, exactly half of it, isn't it? सोमैटिक सेल्स कंटेन 2 कॉपीज ऑफ ईच क्रोमोसोम. इस पिक्चर में देखिए कि हर एक क्रोमोसोम की 2 कॉपीज प्रेजेंट है, यानी कि पेयर में प्रेजेंट है. इन ह्यूमन बीइंग देयर आर 23 पेयर्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इन दिस सोमैटिक सेल, राइट? 23 पेयर्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम मीन्स 46 क्रोमोसोम आर प्रेजेंट. So that is about the basics of chromosome. If you have any doubt in any point, put your doubts in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching.